Hey guys, welcome to the 158th C# tutorial that I'm making for the new Boston. And in this tutorial we're going to continue working on our Hangman project. And we're just going to finish up drawing our guy. We're actually going to be drawing the legs in this tutorial. So, just like before, I have all the code copied already, so all we're going to have to do is type else if, and we're going to check to see if the body part that the user passes through this draw body part method is left leg. So we're going to say if BP equals body parts dot left leg, and then we're just going to basically draw a diagonal line from here to about here. And I already have the code for that, so copy that right here and paste. Alright, so the starting position is 60, 170, and 60 on the x-axis is right on the character's body. So 60 is right there, and 60, 170 is right there, to be exact. And then we're going to want to go 30, 190. So the difference between 60 and 30 is 30. So we're going to want to go over approximately 30 pixels, so I don't know, about there. And then we're going to want to go down 20, since the difference between 170 and 190 is 20. So we're just going to go over to about there, and then down 20, so about there. And if we connect those, we should get a line like that. Alright, so now let's just draw the body part, and just draw that left leg right there. And there you go, perfect, a left leg. And now we've just got to finish up and draw the right leg. So we're going to say else if the body part equals a right leg, then we're just going to draw a diagonal line right there, just a mirror image of this line right here. So I already have the code for that, just like before, and there you go. And just like the left leg, it starts at 60, 170, so it starts right there. And then it goes to 90, 190. And just like before, everything's going to want to be on the same y-axis. So it's going to be on as if he's standing on a flat surface on the ground. So we know where he's going to be on the y-axis. We just don't know where he's going to be on the x-axis. And on the x-axis, he's going to be 90. So since the center is 60 right here, and the difference between 30 and 60 is 30, so we went over 30 on this side. Well, we're just going to want to go over 30 on this side as well. So we go over 30, so approximately right there. So 60 plus 30 is 90, and now we know exactly where he's going to be, since he's going to be on this line right here. So there we go. Now let's just draw his right leg, draw body parts, and his right leg. Alright, so now, there you go, perfect, and these are on the same line at the bottom right there. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. We finally finished drawing our hangman. In the next tutorial, we're going to be handling things like getting a random word for someone to guess. Alright, so see you guys.